Hello everyone, welcome back to my study Pathshala. Today we are going to start a very important concept of class 10 chapter polynomials, that is zeros of polynomials and its graphical representation. We will first understand what exactly the meaning of the zero is, and then we will connect that idea of zero with the graph. So let's begin. So how do we find the zero of the polynomial? So let us take a simple example, that is p of x equals to x minus 3. Now how do I find the zero of the polynomial? It is very simple. I'll just simply put the value of p of x equals to 0. So once I substitute in place of p of x the value of the polynomial, which is x minus 3. So x minus 3 would be equals to 0. Now we are going to transpose minus 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So it will become x equals to 3. Hence 3 is the zero of the polynomial. In simple words, जीरो का क्या मतलब है? जीरो का मतलब है x की वो वैल्यू जिसे पॉलिनोमियल में पुट करने पर पूरे पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाए. Now let's understand the same idea graphically for the polynomial p of x equals to x minus 3. Now if we plot this graph for this polynomial, this graph will come out as a straight line. Now as you can see in the picture, we only need to observe one important point, that is where does this line cut the x-axis. So as you can see here, the line cuts the x-axis at coordinate x equals to 3. Now remember that every point on x-axis has the y coordinate as 0. So at this point the value of y is equals to 0. So as y represents the value p of x, so we can say p of x is equals to 0 at this particular point. इसलिए ग्राफ में जहां भी आपका ग्राफ एक्स एक्सिस को कट या मीट करता है, तो वो जो पॉइंट है जहां पर वो कट करता है वही आपकी जीरो होता है. एंड दिस गिव्स अस द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो, दैट इज द जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इज द एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट वेयर इट्स ग्राफ इंटरसेक्ट्स द एक्स एक्सिस. मतलब ग्राफ को देखो और जिस पॉइंट पर जहां पर भी आपका एक्स एक्सिस को वो लाइन कट करे उस एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट को नोट करो, वही पॉइंट आपका जीरो है. So now let's take a quadratic polynomial as the example, that is p of x equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. So now we are going to find its zeros algebraically. So we'll put this value equals to 0. So p of x equals to 0. Now instead of p of x, we are going to substitute this value, that is x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. So now we are going to solve it by splitting the middle term. So we are going to split this minus 5 into minus 3 and minus 2. So what do we get here? We get x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. So now if you see what is common in first two terms, we can see x is here, x is here as well. So what is common? X is common. So I'm going to take x common from these two terms. So if I take x common, what we are left with? So I'm left with x and minus 3. Similarly, we'll see what is common in these two terms. As we can see, minus 2 is common in both of them. So I've taken minus 2 common. What I'm left with? X minus 3. So now if you observe carefully, the x minus 3 is common in both the terms. So in next step, we are going to take x minus 3 common. So we have taken x minus 3 common. So what we are left with? X here and minus 2 here. So we get x minus 3 into x minus 2 equals to 0. So either x minus 3 is equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. So we'll solve first x minus 3 equals to 0. I'm going to transpose minus 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So we get x equals to 3. Similarly, we are going to transpose minus 2 from this side to that side. We get x equals to 2. So with this we understand we have got two values of x, 2 and 3. So this 2 and 3 are the zeros of our quadratic polynomial. यानी इस polynomial को जीरो बनाने वाली x की दो values हैं 2 और 3. Now let's look at the graph of the quadratic equation. As you can see, the graph is a parabola. So if you look carefully, it cuts x-axis at 2 points. So if we note out the x coordinate of these points, what do we get? The points are 2 and 3. So what do we get the values of this quadratic polynomial when we solved it algebraically? Exactly, we got 2 and 3 only. Algebra से जो दो zeros मिले ग्राफिकली भी वही कंफर्म हो रहे हैं. Now comes a very important observation. If you look carefully, whenever the quadratic equation cuts x-axis, there are three possibilities. So first possibility is that the graph will cut x-axis at two distinct or different points. So that means you'll get two different or distinct real zeros. इसका मतलब है कि जब भी क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल का ग्राफ आपके एक्स एक्सिस को दो पॉइंट्स पे कट करेगा तो आपके पास दो अलग अलग जीरोज आएंगे. नाउ द सेकंड पॉसिबिलिटी इज दैट द ग्राफ ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल टचेस एक्स एक्सिस एट एग्जैक्टली वन पॉइंट. दैट मीन्स इट डज नॉट क्रॉसेस इट, इट्स जस्ट टच एट वन पॉइंट. देन देयर आर टू रियल इक्वल जीरोज. इसका मतलब है कि जब आपका जो पॉलिनोमियल का ग्राफ है वो एक्स एक्सिस को ना कट करे ना क्रॉस करे, सिर्फ एक पॉइंट पर टच करे, तो आपके पास दो एग्जैक्टली इक्वल रियल जीरोज आते हैं. एंड द थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी इज दैट योर ग्राफ डज नॉट मीट और नाइदर टचेस द एक्स एक्सिस एट ऑल, सो इट स्टेज अवे फ्रॉम एक्स एक्सिस. सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम you will not get any real zero for this quadratic equation. इसका मतलब है कि जब आपका ग्राफ एक्स एक्सिस को ना तो टच करता है ना मीट करता है, उससे दूर रह जाता है, तो आपके पास जो जीरोज आएंगे वो रियल नहीं होंगे. नाउ लेट्स टेक दिस वन स्टेप फर्दर एंड सॉल्व अ क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. So we are taking p of x equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. Now this will factorize as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 0. So if we solve them all, we'll get the values of x as 1, 2 and 3. So x equals to 1, 2 and 3 are the zeros of this cubic polynomial. यानी इसमें तीन zeros हैं, 1, 2 और 3. Now look at the graph of this polynomial. Now since it is a cubic polynomial, therefore its graph is a curve, not a straight line nor a parabolic path, which cuts x-axis at different positions. Now notice carefully that it cuts the x-axis at three different positions. Now if we note out the x coordinates of these 3 points where it cuts the x-axis, then you can see it is exactly 1, 2 and 3, which we have already calculated algebraically also. तो यहाँ भी वही बात कंफर्म होती है कि जहाँ भी ग्राफ एक्स एक्सिस को कट करेगा वही पॉइंट आपके पॉलिनोमियल का जीरो होगा. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल में तीन जीरोस होंगे मैक्सिमम, और ऐसा ही हमने देखा क्वाड्रेटिक में दो थे और लीनियर में एक जीरो था. सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेयर एवर द ग्राफ कट्स एक्स एक्सिस, that point is the zero of the polynomial. So if this video helped you understand the concept of the polynomials and the zeros, do like our video, give the comment below and do subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye.